Protect your home from moisture damage. Warning signs and prevention tips. Unchecked moisture can lead to significant problems, including weakening wood, damaging drywall, promoting mold growth, and even compromising your foundation. Be alert for red flags, such as musty smells, peeling paint, visible mold, or warped flooring. You can help prevent moisture issues by keeping your roof in good shape, clearing gutters, sealing gaps, improving ventilation, and running a dehumidifier. A professional home inspection can uncover hidden problems early. Don't wait. Contact us today to protect your home and investment.